Most people who try affiliate marketing fail because they waste months building the wrong thing. I decided to do it differently. I let AI handle the heavy lifting. And I built an entire affiliate marketing funnel in a fraction of the time it would normally take. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did, what worked, what didn't, and what you can copy today. What is an affiliate marketing funnel and why it matters? Before we get into the AI part, you need to understand what a funnel actually is, because most people skip this and then struggle to make money. An affiliate marketing funnel is a step-by-step system that takes someone from discovering you to clicking your affiliate link and buying. It's not just a blog with a link at the end. It includes a landing page, a lead magnet to build trust and collect emails, an email follow-up sequence, and then a natural, helpful offer. Without a funnel, you're just hoping someone buys. With one, you're guiding interested people toward a decision they already want to make. That's why funnels convert far better than random affiliate links, sometimes 10x or more. When I started using AI to build mine, the whole process became much faster and more strategic than doing it manually. Choosing the right niche and affiliate offer with AI help, I used AI to research and validate my niche by focusing on demand, competition, and commission potential instead of asking vague questions. Then I verified ideas using platforms like Impact, Share a Sale, and ClickBank, which cut days of research down to a couple of hours. I chose a SaaS affiliate offer in the productivity space with recurring commissions and strong search demand. I also used AI to analyze the offer itself, landing page, reviews, and refund risks, which helped me avoid a bad product with high refund rates. Building the landing page and lead magnet using AI. Once I had my niche and offer, I used AI to create the landing page copy and lead magnet. For the landing page, I used Claude to write headlines, subheadings, bullets, and a CTA, but I gave it full context like audience, pain points, and tone. After one or two refinements, the copy was solid. I then built the page in System.io in under 4 hours with no coding. For the lead magnet, I created a free PDF guide aligned with the audience's problem and the offer. AI helped outline and write each section, and I refined it for originality. It ended up around 14 pages with practical steps and a soft product pitch. I designed it in Canva, with AI helping me find the right template style. From idea to finished product, it took about 6 hours total instead of weeks. Writing the email sequence that actually converts the email sequence is where most affiliate marketers drop the ball. They either send one email and give up, or they blast promotions non-stop and burn their list. The strategy I used, which AI helped me structure, was a 7-email nurture sequence spaced over 10 days. The sequence followed a proven framework. The first email delivered the lead magnet and set expectations. The second and third emails delivered pure value tips, insights, a mini case study with zero selling. The fourth email introduced the problem the affiliate product solves, told a relatable story, but still didn't push a hard sale. The fifth email presented the solution, the affiliate product, with genuine enthusiasm and a personal angle. The sixth email handled objections proactively, addressing the most common reasons someone wouldn't buy. And the seventh email created urgency with a final reminder and a clear call to action. I gave AI the product details, the audience profile, and the framework above, and it drafted all 7 emails in about 40 minutes. I then spent another couple of hours editing the tone, making the stories more personal, and tightening up the copy. The key here is that AI gives you a strong first draft. It's your job to humanize it. The emails that converted best were the ones where I added specific personal details and genuine opinions that only I could provide. AI is the engine, but your voice is the fuel. Driving traffic to the funnel without paid ads. A funnel with no traffic is just a fancy digital ghost town. I focused on 2 organic traffic channels, YouTube and SEO optimized blog content. For YouTube, AI helped me with everything from script outlines to title formulas to thumbnail text. I used it to identify the exact search terms my target audience types into YouTube, and then I built videos around those terms. It also helped me write descriptions with natural keyword placement that actually helped with discoverability. For the blog side, I used AI to generate topic clusters groups of related articles that all link to each other and collectively rank for a wide range of keywords. It mapped out 20 article topics in my niche, prioritized them by search volume and competition, and gave me an outline for each one. I then wrote or heavily edited each article to add original insights, because Google's algorithm in 2024 and beyond rewards genuine expertise and experience, not just keyword stuffing. I embedded my landing page link naturally in the most relevant articles. Within 60 days, the blog was pulling in consistent organic traffic, and the YouTube channel was getting traction on 2 videos that hit on high-intent keywords. The results weren't overnight, but they were compounding, and that's the whole point of organic traffic. You build it once, and it keeps working for you while you sleep. Tracking, optimizing, and scaling the funnel. Building the funnel is only half the job. The real money comes from tracking what's working and doubling down on it. I used free tools like Google Analytics and the built-in stats from my email platform to track every step of the funnel: how many people landed on the page, what percentage opted in, how many opened each email, and most importantly, how many clicked the affiliate link and converted. I then fed that data back into AI prompts to help me diagnose weak points. For example, I noticed my email open rates dropped sharply after email 3. I pasted my subject lines into an AI prompt and asked it to rewrite them with stronger curiosity hooks and relevance signals. Open rates went up by nearly 30% the following week. On the landing page side, I used AI to generate 3 alternative headlines and ran a simple A/B test. The winning headline outperformed the original by a significant margin. None of these optimizations required a marketing degree or an expensive agency. They just required a systematic process and the right AI prompting strategy. Once the funnel was consistently converting, I started scaling traffic by producing more content and repurposing existing videos into short-form clips for other platforms. The funnel itself never changed, I just turned up the traffic tap. That's the beauty of a well-built system. It scales without breaking. What I would do differently and key lessons learned if I were starting over today with everything I know now. There are a few things I'd change immediately. First, I would have tested the offer with a tiny traffic sample before building out the full funnel. I spent 2 weeks building and then discovered the landing page conversion rate was lower than expected because the offer wasn't the strongest fit for my specific audience. A quick traffic test up front would have saved me that time. Second, I would have started building my email list from day 1 even before the funnel was finished. I waited until everything was perfect before launching, which delayed my first subscriber by 3 weeks. In affiliate marketing, your email list is your most valuable asset because you own it. Social platforms can change their algorithm tomorrow and wipe out your reach overnight, but nobody can take your email list away from you. Third, I would have diversified my content formats earlier. I leaned too heavily on long-form blog articles in the early months and neglected short-form video, which has dramatically lower barriers to entry for new creators right now. The big lesson across all of this is that AI doesn't replace strategy, it amplifies it. If your strategy is wrong, AI will help you execute the wrong strategy faster. But if your strategy is right, AI gives you an unfair advantage by handling the execution details so you can focus on the thinking. That's the full breakdown of how I built an affiliate marketing funnel using AI from niche selection all the way to scaling. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: the tools are not the barrier anymore. AI has removed almost every technical and creative excuse for not starting. The only thing left is your willingness to act and stay consistent long enough to see results. If you found this video valuable, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'm documenting everything as I grow this, including the numbers, the mistakes, and the wins. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.